My name is Polly. We are at Montevallo Cedar Creek. We are a mom and pop shop that's been here since 2006. Really, we just have a great variety of all sorts of things. We do all annuals, perennials, trees, shrubs, fruit trees. We even have a great selection of houseplants and tropicals as well. This place has been open since 2006. I will say that we are pretty competitive with our pricing, and I feel like we've had a lot of customers, saying we're good with prices. A great starter plant is like a succulent. A succulent, you don't have to water it very often, maybe like once a month, honestly. They do bloom, and we have all sorts of them. Marigolds is a great thing to plant with your garden because it keeps away bugs, like unnecessary bugs. Of course, your bees and wasps, they're not going to stay away because you need them for pollinating. Jury is right under the sign. He is a Midland woodland water snake, and it's Mama Bertha. She's really big. They look very similar to copperheads, but copperheads are a little bit more tan than brown, and this one, the Midland water snake, has an orange line next to its mouth. We are open Monday through Saturday, 8 to 5. Y'all come back and see us. Thanks.